guys, Ari Diva here. We're here with D Major, who has an amazing announcement, so I'm gonna turn it over to him straight away and let him tell you what's going on. D Major. I'm here, so I got foreign.
Greetings, kings and queens. You don't know D Major, aka Mr. Real No Real, representing. I should say, we are going foreign, you know what I'm saying? It's a good look, you know, it's exciting times, it's overdue too. You know, this should have happened in the spring and it's, you know, finally coming through now, so. The announcement is the European tour, the Real No Real European tour, you know what I'm saying? Exciting times, you know, it's overdue. As I said, we should have done this since this spring, but, you know, because of some dates I wasn't satisfied how the dates were laid out and stuff, so. But I said, I could hold it until everything feel in proper way and thing, and then we go shut it, so. Time is now, you know what I'm saying, so September, you don't know, D Major, the Real No Real European tour kicks off, you see it?
No common foreign to your team. You're going to Portugal, Amsterdam, Germany, someplace I can't call.
On a small foreign, I'm going a big foreign. You don't know, as I say, Amsterdam, Germany, all the whole heap of spots in Germany, because I want a big place that, you know what I'm saying, Switzerland, one of the cleanest cities you will ever go to.
You've been to Switzerland before?
Yeah, man. I've been to most of these places before with Shaggy, big up to Shaggy and the Big Yard family, but this is the major thing, you know. It's not no background business or nothing. This is my tour, you know, so this is why I'm excited about it, you know what I'm saying. Portugal and these places, you know what I'm saying. Helsinki, Finland, which part coming like minutes to 12, it looked like a broad daylight same way, you know what I'm saying.
But so, you just come back from New York. Tell me what you're doing there and how did that go? And
New York was great. Promotional tour for the album, you know what I'm saying, which is the same reason we're going to Europe, you know what I'm saying. But New York was great. It was successful, you know what I'm saying. We did the Jerk Festival with how much 1,000 people. I think it was close to 15,000 people, you know what I'm saying. So big up to VP who made that possible. And yeah, I mean, we was network with some people from radio stations and some of the sound man them in the street and thing. Incidentally, one of them just linked me up on my phone and said, D Major, since about 2 weeks ago, he's been playing the single off the album called Naked for Ladies, and the ladies have been saying, you know what I'm saying, this song is sexy, and then them start taking on it. One of the premier DJ, DJ Polish, may I call his name, DJ Polish, big up yourself. He's one of them that was responsible for Cranium's song. You know, in the streets in New York. I said the song really break for us. Nobody have to know. So for DJ Polish, I tell me this, you know, it's a good look and a good feeling. So look out, Naked video coming soon.
So tell me something now. You're going to get naked in the video?
It's possible. It's possible. You know, the requests have been coming in for the lady.
I'm going to put in my request too. Yeah.
So you think I should? The ladies have been requesting that. So. Don't look like me, I just have to go do it now.
You just have to go do it. I like that vibe.
I need a sexy lady to get naked with though.
Sure. Maybe turn off the camera. You see the sexy lady standing up right here. So tell me if you have anybody to big up on this European tour.
Of course, big up the whole team, you don't know. Big up RD herself, you don't know. Big up Supreme Pedigree, you don't know. Big up Penthouse Music, VP Records. Big up Riffin Music, you know what I'm saying. Big up my Bridget, big up Iceman, big up Turf Music, Busy Signal and the whole crew, you know what I'm saying? And just everybody will try to align themselves with good music, you know what I'm saying? D Major is a Jamaican artist, not a reggae artist, not a dancehall artist. D Major is a reggae, as a Jamaican artist. You know, so we represent Jamaican. Whereas the music, we love music, so whatever expression will come out, that's what you get. You see?
I hear you, thank you, sir.
Salute every you that represent the truth, yeah.